In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Wix error code 10903 step by step using simple and safe methods that work in 2026. This error usually appears when Wix can't properly connect or load certain services, and it can be frustrating if you're trying to manage your site, publish changes, or access apps. The good news is that in most cases, this error is caused by temporary connection issues or browser-related problems, and it can be fixed in just a few minutes. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Wix and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in and fix Wix error code 10903. The first thing you should always try is a simple refresh and retry. Sometimes this error is triggered by a temporary loading glitch. Refresh your browser tab, wait a few seconds, and then try accessing the Wix dashboard or feature again. If that doesn't work, close the tab completely, reopen your browser, and log back into Wix. Many users find that this alone clears the error. If the error code still shows up, move on to the next step, which is logging out and logging back in. Log out of your Wix account completely, not just the dashboard tab. Once logged out, close your browser, reopen it, and then sign back into Wix. This refreshes your session and can fix authentication or permission issues that trigger error code 10903. After logging back in, try accessing the same page again and see if the issue is resolved. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to try using Incognito mode or a different browser. Open an Incognito or private window and log into your Wix account there. This disables extensions, cached data, and stored cookies that might be interfering with Wix. If Incognito mode works, then the issue is likely caused by a browser extension or corrupted cache. You can also try switching browsers entirely, for example from Chrome to Edge or Firefox, and then test Wix again. If you can access everything normally, you know the problem is browser-related. Next, if you're working inside the Wix editor and error code 10903 appears, try republishing your site. Go to your Wix editor, click Publish, and allow the process to complete fully. Republishing can resync your site with Wix's servers and clear backend errors that prevent certain features from loading. After publishing, return to the dashboard and check if the error is gone. If the problem continues, it's time to check your internet connection stability. Wix relies on a steady connection, and even small drops can cause error code 10903. Make sure you're on a stable network, avoid public Wi-Fi if possible, and restart your router if needed. You can also run a quick speed test to ensure your connection isn't dropping or timing out. Once your connection is stable, reload Wix and try again. Another important step is checking the Wix system status. Sometimes the issue isn't on your side at all. Visit the Wix status page and see if there are any ongoing outages or maintenance affecting dashboards, editors, or apps. If Wix reports an active issue, the best solution is to wait until they resolve it, as no local fix will work during an outage. Finally, if you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. VPNs and proxies can block or reroute Wix services, which often triggers error code 10903. Disable your VPN, refresh your browser, and log back into Wix without it enabled. In many cases, this immediately fixes the problem. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Wix error code 10903 and get back to managing your website without interruptions. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.